What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make some delicious little chicken tacos. I got about a pound of chicken thigh meat that I just diced up, and we're gonna start by making a marinade for that. So, cheers, and let's cook. For our marinade, we're gonna go into a bowl with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of 1 lime, 2 cloves of minced garlic. We have some pureed chipotle and adobo here. I'm going with about 2 teaspoons of that. And a little spice mixture. We have half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to mix all that together with a fork. Our marinade is ready to go. Into the marinade, we're going to go in with our diced chicken thighs. I'm just going to mix it all around until it's nice and coated. Our chicken is nice and evenly coated, so now we can just set that to the side for a minute. While we give our chicken a minute to marinate, we'll go ahead and whip together a little Chipotle Mayo that we're going to top our tacos with. For our Chipotle Mayo, I'm going to go into a bowl with half a cup mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, the juice of 1 lime, about a tablespoon of that pureed chipotle and adobo, and then we'll season that with just about half a teaspoon of salt. Just mix all that together. We got our Chipotle Mayo ready to go, so now it's time to go to the stove and cook our chicken. I'm going to heat up a large pan on high heat. We'll add a tablespoon of olive oil to the pan. Let that oil heat up. Our oil has just hit smoke point. We're just getting a couple wisps of smoke coming up. I'm going to go in with half of my chicken and I'm going to cook it in batches so I don't overcrowd my pan. Our first batch of chicken is cooked through, so now I'm just going to transfer that to a bowl, cover that with tinfoil to keep it warm while we cook our second batch. Now we got all of our chicken cooked off. I'm going to put this in that bowl with the tinfoil just to keep it warm. I'm going to heat up some tortillas, and it will be time to build our tacos. Now to assemble our tacos, got my shells on the plate. Just going to scoop in some of our chicken meat. We will hit that with a little drizzle of our Chipotle Mayo. Finish it with a little chopped onion. And some chopped cilantro. We'll serve that with a couple lime wedges. We are ready to eat. We got some killer chicken tacos here. Doesn't take a long time, and they are still packed with flavor. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.